Okay guys, maraming pong salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta po ninyo sa aking channel. Okay? At guys, muli ang aking pagpapaliwanag or ang aking explanation ngayon sa ating topic ay Tagalog po para lahat po ay maintindihan po ng lahat. Kasi alam ko po marami pong mga beginners na nanonood ngayon. Okay? So guys, ito guys yung aking topic na i-discuss sa inyo ngayon. So yung using WH questions with going to. Alam natin guys na ang going to ay ginagamit sa future tense of the verb. Okay? Pag pinlano mo na gawin ang isang bagay, okay, bahagi siya ng schedule mo sa araw-araw kasi nga pinlano mo, gagamit tayo ng going to. So, marami pang gamit yan. Basta tingnan nyo na lang sa aking future tense of the verb, okay? Pero guys, ang ating pag-usapan ngayon kung paano gamitin guys yung WH questions na may kinalaman sa going to. So, tandaan natin, yung math, may formula. Sa English naman, meron tayong forms. Okay? Dapat tama yung pagkasunod-sunod para hindi tayo marutong drama. At tandaan din guys, kailangan natin mag-memorize. Okay? We need to memorize yung mga bagay na ganito guys para madaling mapunta or madaling nating matandaan. Okay? Mapunta sa utak. Okay? Madaling nating matandaan. So guys, okay, ito na. She is going to review her lessons tomorrow. Okay, para makagawa daw ng WH questions. Okay, gagamit ka ng WH. Okay, ito yung WH when. Okay, tapos be verb na is, at saka are. Okay, is ang ginamit natin kasi ang subject ay she. Okay, so subject is she. Plus going to, tapos yung verb na review, kasi review ang given dito. Okay. Plus verb, okay? Ito yung verb. Plus complements. Complement or complements. Okay? Pag sinabing complements, pwedeng noun, okay? Adjective, pwedeng adverb, okay? Basta complements yung other, yung kasama ng sentence, okay? Okay. So, yung iba pang kasama ng sentence, sinatawag na complements. Okay? So, kung ang sentence natin, she is going to review her lessons tomorrow. Siya ay magre-review ng kanyang lesson bukas. Okay? Siya ay magre-review ng kanyang lesson bukas. So, ang ating tatanungin ngayon ay when, kailan. Okay? Ang sagot dyan ay tomorrow. Okay, so, kailan siya magre-review ng kanyang lesson? Okay? Sa English, when is she going to review her lessons? Kailan siya magre-review ng kanyang lessons? Ang sagot guys, kung sasagutin po natin, tomorrow. Pero kung bubuin natin yung sagot, okay, it's better kung buo yung sagot. Okay, she's going to review her lessons tomorrow. Okay, next. Another example guys, gamit naman yung subject na I, ako. Okay, so I am going to cook lasagna. So, halimbawa, nagplano ako na magluluto ako ng lasagna. So, sasabihin ko na, I am going to cook lasagna. Okay, magluluto ako ng lasagna. So, anong pwede nating tanungin dito, guys? Okay, eto, ginuhitan ko na. Okay. Lasagna. So, ang pwede nating tanungin dyan ay, okay, what? Ibig sabihin, what am I going to cook? Ano ang aking lulutuin? Okay? So, tama ba? WH, tapos, subject, be verb, subject, going to, tapos, verb. Okay? Wala namang other complements, guys, eh. So, yan lang. Pwede naman natin, I am going to cook lasagna later. O, what am I going to cook later? Pwede gano'n. Okay? Later, ibig sabihin, mamaya. Okay? So, yun yun, guys. Hindi ko lang nilagay. Ilagay natin. Sige. I am going to cook lasagna later. Pag sinabing later, mamaya. Okay? So, what am I going to cook later? Ano ang aking lulutuin mamaya? Ayun yan. Okay? Other complements niya is later. Okay? So, what am I going to cook later? Ano ang aking lulutuin mamaya? So, ang sagot, lasagna. Or, I am going to cook lasagna later. Okay? Next, the next one, they are going to play outside. Ano ba mga bata? Okay? They yun. They. Sila. They are going to play outside. So, yung outside, pag sinabing outside, labas. Okay? So, yan naman ang tatanungin natin, yung outside. So, tumutukoy yung outside, tumutukoy yan sa lugar. Kaya, ang gagamitin natin WH questions ay where. Okay? Where are they going to play? Okay. Pag sinabi guys na where are they going to play, saan sila maglalaro? Okay? Saan sila maglalaro? Ang sagot, outside. Or kung kukumpletuhin mo yung sagot, so they are going to play outside. Pwede pa dito guys magtanong, mabuo ka pa dito. Who are going to play outside? Yung where, palitan mo lang ng who. Okay? Okay, who are going to play outside? Pwedeng ganun guys, who are going to play outside? Sino ang maglalaro sa labas? Ibig sabihin. So, ang sagot, they. Ayun yun. Okay, the last one, you are going to eat spaghetti. So, ikaw ay kakain ng spaghetti. So, guys, pag tatanungin kita, why are you going to eat spaghetti? Bakit ka kakain ng spaghetti? Okay, ikaw yung tinatanong ko bilang kausap ko. Why are you going to eat spaghetti? Guys, wala dito yung sagot. Pero, yung sagot guys, magmumula sa kausap mo. So, merong bagay na sinasabi yung kausap mo na gagawin niya, pwede kang magtanong. Tulad ng, why are you going to eat spaghetti? So, ikaw, pwede mo pang sagutin na, because my mother is going to cook spaghetti later. So, yun, plano mo na. Kaya nagkaroon ka ng plano na kumain ng spaghetti. Okay? I am going to watch Barbie tomorrow morning. Okay. Ako ay manonood ng Barbie bukas ng umaga. So, paano ka mag-form dyan ng sentence gamit yung WH? So, isa sa napili ko na gagamitin natin sa pagtatanong ay yung what or ano sa Tagalog. So, what am I going to watch tomorrow morning? So, ano ang papanoorin ko bukas ng umaga? So, para maka-form ka guys ng question or pagtatanong or tanong, WH question muna. Yan ang una na gagawin mo. Susunod yung be verb. Yung be verb guys, yung is, am, at saka are. Okay? Susunod yung subject. Yung subject dito is I. Okay, ako. Plus going to. Okay? Going to plus verb. Yung verb dito na pinag-usapan ay watch. Okay? Plus other complement ng sentence. Okay? Or other part of the sentence na pinag-usapan natin. Tomorrow morning. Okay? So, what am I going to watch tomorrow morning? Sa Tagalog yun guys. Sa Tagalog. Ano ang papanoorin ko bukas ng umaga? So, yun yung. Gumamit ako ng salitang what. Okay? Next. He is going to read a novel. So, pag sinabing he, lalaki siya. Kaya he ang gagamitin natin. Okay? Siya ay magbabasa ng nobela mamayang gabi. So, ang napili ko naman na gagamitin natin WH question ay when. Ibig sabihin ng when ay kailan. Okay? So, kailan. So, when is he going to read a novel? Kailan siya magbabasa ng nobela? Okay? Ang sagot guys, tonight. Kung bubuin mo yung yung sagot sa tanong mo na when is he going to read a novel, he's going to read a novel tonight. Okay? So, buong-buo yung sentence mo. Pero pinakasagot dyan, when, kailan? Tonight. Okay? Okay, the next one is siya. Pag sinabing siya, babae, pag babae, yung tinutukoy mo na siya, gagamit ka naman ng she. Kaya, she is going to celebrate her 18th birthday in Manila. So, siya ay magdiriwang ng kanyang ika-8 kaarawan sa Manila. So, ang pwede natin gamitin dyan na WH question ay where. Kung ang pag-uusapan natin ay place. Okay? Where. Okay? Ibig sabihin ng where, saan. Okay? Where is she going to celebrate her 18th birthday? Saan siya magsi-celebrate or saan siya magdiriwang ng kanyang ika-8 taong kaarawan. Okay? So, where is she going to celebrate her 18th birthday? So, ang sagot guys ay Manila. Manila. Pero kung sasagutin mo yung tanong na to na buong-buo yung pangungusap. So, sasabihin mo yung buong pangungusap na ganito. She is going to celebrate her 18th birthday in Manila. Okay? Next. For example guys, gagamit tayo ng it na kung saan ang it, ang tinutukoy niya ay tungkol sa computer. For example guys, my computer is not working. Ibig sabihin, ang aking computer ay hindi gumagana. It is going to fixed by Peter. Pag sinabing it, tinutukoy niya yung computer. Parang ito ay aayusin ni Peter. Okay? Aayusin ni Peter or aayusin ito ni Peter. Yan ang ibig sabihin niyan. It is going to fix by Peter. So, ito yung pwedeng nating maging tanong dyan. Gagamit tayo ng why. Ibig sabihin ng why, bakit? Okay? Why is it going to fix by Peter? Bakit ito ayusin ni Peter? Pwede mo rin sabihin, why is my computer, okay? Why is my computer going to fix by Peter? Bakit aayusin ni Peter ang aking computer? So ang sagot dyan guys, pag why, gagamit ka ng because. Okay? Because my computer is not working. Pwede gano'n. It is not working. Because it is not working. Why is it going to fix by Peter? Okay? So, ibig sabihin ng it, yan yung computer. Bakit aayusin ni Peter yung computer? Ibig sabihin niya. So, because it is not working. Kasi hindi gumagana. Ibig sabihin niya. Okay? So, nag-gets na guys, ha? Okay guys, tandaan natin yung WH questions. Okay, may letter H dyan. Pwede tayong gagamit ng how. Ibig sabihin ay paano. Okay, dito sa pangalawang example ko, how much. Yung how much dito, hindi yan paano. Pag sinabing how much, two words yan. How, tapos much. Pero isa lang ang ibig sabihin yan sa Tagalog, magkano. Okay? Yan. Tapos pag who, sino. So, okay, umpisa na natin. You are going to study English by watching English movies. Okay. Ikaw ay mag-aaral ng English sa pamamagitan ng panonood ng English movies. Okay? So, paano tayo magtatanong yan? Kasi, ibig sabihin ng sa pamamagitan. So, pwede ka magtanong dyan ng paano. So, how are you going to study English? Okay? Paano ka mag-aaral ng English? Okay, ang sagot guys ay by watching English movies. Okay, kung kukumplituhin mo yung sagot, you are going to study English by watching English movies. Okay, so yun yan. The next one is, we are going to spend 30,000 pesos for my wedding. So, tayo ay gagastos ng 30,000 pesos para sa aking kasal. Yan yun. So, dahil binigkas niya or inano niya dito, nilagay niya dito kung magkano. So, pwede tayong magtanong guys ng how much. Ibig sabihin magkano. Okay? So, magkano ang ating gagastusin sa aking kasal? For example, kausap ko yung mga parents ko. So, tinatanong ko sila, how much are we going to spend for my wedding? Okay? Magkano ang ating gagastusin para sa aking kasal? So, ang sagot guys, 30,000 pesos. Okay? Kaya lang, kung gusto mong buo na naman, so, di full sentence yung, sasabi mo, okay, we are going to spend 30,000 pesos for my wedding. Okay? Next one. The next one is, the students are going to take the test. Okay? Ang mga estudyante ay kukuha. Okay? Kukuha ng test. Okay? So, ang mga estudyante. So, pwede tayong magtanong ng who. Sino, ibig sabihin. Who are going to take the test? Sino ang mga kukuha ng test? Okay? So guys, tandaan natin pag gagamitin natin tong WH questions. Okay? Gagamit tayo guys. Una, yung WH question muna. Okay? Plus yung be verb na is, am, or are. Okay? Ito yun. Tapos kung sino yung subject. Okay? Next, going to, plus yung verb na main verb, yung walang ing na verb. Yung salitang ugat na verb lang. Plus, complement. Pag sinabing complement or other complements of the sentence, yung iba pa na kasama sa sentence. Idudugtong mo lang siya. Okay? Okay guys. Maraming pong salamat sa pakikinig.